We are going to look at possible code combinations that make up our DNA. DNA is the code, it's the genetic code that codes for all of the proteins that make us up. Every amino acid is coded for by a DNA codon, so that's 3 nucleotides. And we have 4 kinds of nucleotides. We have nucleotides including adenine, nucleotides including cytosine, those that include thymine, and those that have guanine as a nitrogenous base. So, if we are going to make the combination that includes 1 nucleotide, we have 4 different possibilities. What if we wanted to make 2 nucleotides? How many combinations can we make out of the nucleotides that we have? We can have the following combinations. 16 combinations. We can have 2 adenines, 2 thymines, 2 cytosines, 2 guanines, or a combination of any 2 of the different nucleotides. If you notice, 16 is actually 4 to the power 2. And actually, this is how you can calculate how many nucleotide combinations you can make. How many nucleotides do you want? The number of that is n. In this case, n equals 2. How many options for nucleotides do you have? That depends on how many different nitrogenous bases we have. In the case of DNA, we have 4. So 4 to the power n gives you how many combinations you can make. So for example, if I want to make combinations of triplets, what do you think is the number of combinations I can make? Remember, we have 4 options, so 4 here is the base number, and n is the number of nucleotides we want. In a triplet, we have 3 nucleotides, so n equals 3. What is 4 to the power 3? It is 64. And these are actually all of the combinations that make up triplets in our DNA. Each one of these triplets is a codon, and it codes for something.